So welcome in building new habit day 2. So in day 2 what we are going to cover, first thing we are going to cover how we can get up early morning, how we can wake up early morning, what are the steps, basic steps that we have to follow, and that will help you to waking up early in the morning. आप सुबह उठने की कैसी आदत लगा सकते हैं, that we are going to cover. Apart from that, time management and plan your day night before. So these three things we are going to cover in today's session. So before thinking about waking up early in the morning, first thing is why to wake up in the morning. What are the benefit of waking up in the morning? So you can read the statement. If you build this habit of waking up early in the morning, you have good amount of time available, which you can use for your health, wealth, and wisdom. Health means you can do exercise, yoga, pranayam, running, walking, jogging, right? You can read the books. You can plan for your passive source of income. You can improve your knowledge. You can improve your wisdom. So waking up early in the morning will help you in health, wealth, and wisdom. If you save 1 hour every single day, so imagine you can save 365 hours in a year. It means the gold mine is available with you. Abundance of time is available with you if you can control on your sleeping pattern, if you can control on your sleeping habit. Okay, let's say if you are waking up at 7 a.m., your present habit, and you shift it to 6 a.m., exactly 1 hour you are saving, right? So in a 1 year, it will be 365 hours that you can use it for anything, that you can use for your skill development, that you can use for your personality development. You can spend time with your family member, or you can nurture your habits, you can nurture your passion, your talent. So these are the benefits. Somebody says ki I don't have a time, right? So whenever this kind of thoughts comes in your mind, just check it where your time is going. आपका समय कहाँ जा रहा है? बहुत सारे लोगों के पास में ये excuses होता है. So you can just check it. When you wake up early in the morning, you feel more energetic, you feel fresh, you feel active, you feel enthusiastic, right? आपका एनर्जी लेवल बहुत ज्यादा होता है, आप बहुत ज्यादा मोटिवेटेड होते हैं, आपके अंदर बहुत सारे काम को करने की इच्छा होती है. We all have seen this. So why not to build this habit? Why should not we wake up early in the morning? If you read about the leaders, so you will come to know they were the early risers like Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Barack Obama, and lot many political leaders also, lot many celebrities also. They wake up early in the morning because they know the value of time, right? They know the value of time, and because of that, they build a habit of waking up early in the morning. So now I'm going to cover कि how we can wake up early in the morning. वो कौन से tools हैं, steps हैं, जिसको follow करके हम इस habit को build कर सकते हैं. So the moment you go on bed, you have to set your intention. Yes, the moment you go on bed, set your intention. Setting your intention means you have to send message to your subconscious mind. Tomorrow I have to wake up at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m., whatever is your target time. Send the message to your subconscious mind. Visualize it. Every single day you are waking up at 5 a.m. Send this message to your subconscious mind before sleeping. Every single day I wake up at 5 a.m. I am an early riser. I am early bird. So you have to send this intention to your subconscious mind, and that will help you, and automatically your subconscious mind will trigger you, and many times before your alarm you will wake up. So second thing is your alarm buddy. So to build a habit of waking up early in the morning, you can use alarm, you can use your mobile phone, you can set the alarm. So one ground rule that you have to follow, whenever you are setting the alarm, at least keep your mobile phone away. Maybe some 10 steps, maybe 20 steps, 30 steps away, or you can keep it in another room so that you can hear the alarm sound, right? So keep the mobile phone away. If you are keeping near to your bed, so what will happen? Immediately you will snooze it and you will not be able to build this habit. So it's better to keep alarm at sufficient distance so that you can wake up, and that will help you to break your sleep, right? So third point is force yourself to get up. So now what you have to do when your alarm is ringing, let's say your mobile alarm is ringing, you have to force yourself to go and shut down your alarm, switch off your alarm, and send this message to your family member. You are going to build this habit, so it's your duty, it's your responsibility, right? So they will not switch off the alarm. You have to go. And the most important thing, ask yourself, why I wake up, right? If you will not ask, so what will happen? अरे मुझे फिर से सोना है. Again I have to go back and sleep. This thought will come in your mind. So it's better the moment your alarm is ringing, you wake up and you are going to switch off your alarm. Ask yourself, why I wake up? What is my purpose? The statement purpose is very, very important. If you want to build any habit, what is your purpose? आप उस हैबिट को क्यों बिल्ड कर रहे हैं? उस हैबिट को बिल्ड करने के पीछे आपका बेनिफिट क्या है? सो व्हाट इज माय पर्पस ऑफ वेकिंग अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग? ऐसे कौन से काम हैं जो कि मुझे सुबह करने हैं, दैट आई कैन नॉट डू इन अ होल डे? मॉर्निंग की हैबिट्स वी कैन नॉट डू इन अ होल डे, सो इट्स बेटर कि हम उसको सुबह ही करें. सो आस्क योरसेल्फ, व्हाई आई वेक अप, व्हाई आई वेक अप, and train your mind by feeding the thought to your subconscious mind. And every morning say, I am an early riser, I am an early riser, I am an early riser. Send this message to your subconscious mind. And the next point is, see out of window. So what happens when you wake up? Everything is dark inside the room, so it's a better to go to the balcony and see out of the window. So if you do this exercise, you will come to know that lot many people, they are already awake, they are walking, they are roaming. So that will help you to break your sleep. If it is possible, spend some time in balcony, right? Take your chair, just think about your good day, just submit the gratitude to God, listen some beautiful songs. You can do anything. But if you follow these 6 steps, it will really help you to build the habit of waking up early in the morning, right? So is it clear to everyone? Okay. So now coming to the next point, shift your waking up time. This is simple plan 1 and plan 2. So plan 1, let's say your present waking up time is 6 a.m., right? So what exercise you have to follow? Week 1, just shift by 5 minutes, 5:55. Week 2, 5:50. Week 3, 5:45. And week 4, 5:40. Okay. So what will happen? 1 week you are waking up at this time. Second week you are waking up at this time. Third week you are waking up at this time. Fourth week you are waking up at this time. So this is very small change. And I believe your body will easily accommodate this change. Plan 2, you can shift it by 10 minutes, like 5:55, 5:45, 5:35, and 5:25. So again, it's a hit and trial because we all are unique, right? So for some people, plan A will be easy. For some people, plan 2 will be easy. So what you can do, go with the plan 1 or go with the plan 2. 1 week, shift your time, complete 7 days, follow that routine. From second week, again shift your time. Third week, again shift your time. If you feel, yes, week 1, week 2, week 3 is comfortable, further I don't want to shift it, so sustain it. Let's say plan 1, week 3, 5:45, okay. 3 week, third week, fourth week, maintain 5:45. Then from fifth week, you further shift it by 5 minutes or shift it by 10 minutes. So this small change, your body will easily accommodate. आपको कोई problem नहीं होगी, right? So this way you can change your waking up time. So now about the time management, how we can manage the time, right? So first of all, I would like to say time management is misnomer, right? Misnomer means it's not real, it's imaginary. Even you and me together cannot manage the time, right? So we cannot manage the time. The only thing we can manage our activity, right? So time management is a misnomer, एक नकली नाम है, right? Because nobody can manage the time. जो time चला गया उसको manage नहीं कर सकते, right? So what we can do, we can manage the activity. So always remember, we cannot manage the time, but we can manage our activity. Gain the time. Now this is surprising कि हमें time मिलेगा कैसे? How we can gain the time? So you have to think about where your time is going. Maybe you are spending lots of time in front of TV or in WhatsApp debate or social media. So if you cut down your all this time, so you have lot many times are available for your activity. So by that way you can gain your time. Set your priority. Whenever you think about the time management, जब भी आप time management की बात करेंगे, always remember about your priorities. What is your most important work, right? What is your most important work that you can do only, nobody can do on behalf of you? कुछ काम ऐसे होंगे जो कि सिर्फ आप ही कर सकते हैं, right? So whenever you are setting your priority, give the highest priority to most important work, deadly important work that you have to finish today. वो काम जो मुझे आज करने ही हैं, you have to set your priority. Give the first priority to highly important work. Okay, so mostly urgent work, then important, then third one with the low priority, and fourth one is you can delegate, right? So set the priority if you want to manage the time, and always respect your time. Cut down your gossip time. जितना भी आपका gossip time है, या आप WhatsApp पे बहुत ज्यादा डिबेट कर रहे हैं, पॉलिटिकल डिबेट कर रहे हैं, उन सबको कट डाउन कीजिए. जितना कम हो सकता है उतना कम कीजिए. एंड रिस्पेक्ट योर टाइम. When you respect your time, time will respect you. So value your time. And this is one of the beautiful information. Each 5-minute disturbance cost is equal to 12 minutes. आपका यदि 5 मिनट डिस्टर्बेंस हो गया, दैट इज इक्वल टू 12 मिनट. सो टोटल 5 + 20 is 17 मिनट. 17 मिनट का लॉस है, एंड योर ब्रेन नीड फर्दर 7 मिनट्स टू रीफोकस. तो आप कुछ काम कर रहे थे और आप डिस्टर्ब हो गए, तो आपका 12 मिनट का लॉस हो गया. नाउ यू वांट टू रीस्टार्ट, सो यू विल ब्रिंग योर फोकस बैक, राइट? सो इन दैट केस यू नीड अनदर 7 मिनट्स. So you can imagine कि कितना ज्यादा loss है. First 17-minute loss and further 7-minute loss, right? So set the priorities, plan your week on every Sunday, that you can do it in a better way. So what you can do every Sunday, just think about how many things I have to accomplish in this coming week. आने वाले वीक में मुझे ऐसे कितने सारे काम करने हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ पर्सनल वर्क होंगे, कुछ फैमिली रिलेटेड वर्क होंगे, समथिंग रिलेटेड टू योर ऑफिस, समथिंग रिलेटेड टू योर पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट. जस्ट ट्राई टू नोट इट डाउन, randomly note it down, whatever is coming in your mind, because you are going to build this habit. So don't expect perfection from day one, right? From day one, don't expect the perfection. Just note down what are the things I have to accomplish in 1 week. So what will happen the moment you will start practicing this? You will think, right? आपकी थिंकिंग प्रोसेस और एडवांस होगी. आप विजुलाइज करेंगे कि मुझे एक वीक में इतने सारे काम करने हैं. कुछ बैंक से रिलेटेड काम करने होंगे, कुछ आपके ऑफिस से रिलेटेड काम करने होंगे, कुछ फैमिली से रिलेटेड काम करने होंगे, कुछ क्लासेस लर्निंग से रिलेटेड कुछ होगा. सो जब आप लिखने लग जाएंगे तो आप विजुलाइज करेंगे, आप सोचेंगे, आपका माइंड जो है सोचने लग जाएगा, राइट? सो प्लान योर वीक. एटलीस्ट एक वीक आप प्लान करके देखिए, सेकेंड वीक आप प्लान करके देखिए. सो बाय दैट वे यू कैन मैनेज योर टाइम. सो प्लान सम रिलैक्सेशन टाइम ऑल्सो. ऐसा नहीं कि पूरे ही टाइम आपको हार्ड वर्क करना है. टेक सम पावर नैप, 10-15 मिनट का पावर नैप आप ले सकते हैं. प्लान सम टाइम फॉर मेडिटेशन, लिसनिंग म्यूजिक एंड रीडिंग ऑल्सो, राइट? सो इसके लिए भी आपको अपना टाइम प्लान करना चाहिए. मेक योर टू डू लिस्ट. एज आई सेड कि प्लान योर वीक. तो जब आपने पूरा वीक प्लान कर दिया, तो डेली के लिए आपको एक टू डू लिस्ट बनानी है, राइट? टू डू लिस्ट में आज के लिए मेरा क्या काम है, राइट? आज मुझे कौन से काम करने हैं, दैट यू हैव टू लिस्ट डाउन योर टू डू लिस्ट एंड स्टार्ट विद द हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी वर्क. हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी वर्क को फर्स्ट प्लेस आपको देना है. Then create blocks of time. Like yesterday we discussed time blockage. तो लेट्स से फर्स्ट 90 मिनट मॉर्निंग में आपको ब्लॉक करना है अपनी एक्टिविटी के लिए, राइट? फर्स्ट 90 मिनट आपको ब्लॉक करना है मॉर्निंग में, मॉर्निंग एक्टिविटी के लिए, ओके? सो जिसमें आप मॉर्निंग हैबिट्स कर सकते हैं, दैट वी विल शेयर इन नेक्स्ट सेशन. सो राइट डाउन द 5 थिंग्स दैट यू वांट टू कंप्लीट. टाइम मैनेज करने के लिए आप अपनी वो कौन कौन सी 5 चीजें हैं जो कंप्लीट करना चाहते हैं, उसको लिखिए, राइट? So that will help you to manage your time, and always block your time, maybe 30-minute time block, 15-minute time block, okay? So is it clear to everyone? Now coming to the most important exercise, plan your night before. So I will request each one of you to please draw this table. Please draw this table. So today what we will do the practical, right? So now itself you have to plan your day, right? So you have to plan your day night before. So for tomorrow you have to do the planning. So everyone please draw this table. So in left side it will be today's achievement, okay? So what is your today's achievement? For example, you read some books, right? Maybe some pages. So that will be your achievement. You did exercise, that will be your achievement, okay? You write something, that will be some achievement, okay? You planned your finance, that will be some achievement, okay? Or you made a call to someone, your old friend, relatives that you are planning from long time, that will be your achievement. You recorded your video, that will be your achievement. So ऐसा कुछ जो आपने डिफरेंट किया हो या जो बहुत आपके गोल से रिलेटेड है, सो वो आपका अचीवमेंट होगा. सो प्लीज नोट डाउन योर टुडेज अचीवमेंट. व्हाट इज योर टुडेज अचीवमेंट? Point number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. At least 2 to 3 achievement you have to just list down. कि what is your today's achievement? या आप जो बहुत दिनों से कोई काम प्लान कर रहे थे उसको आज आपने एग्जीक्यूट किया है, दैट विल बी योर टुडेज अचीवमेंट, ओके? आपने डोनेट किया, कुछ फंड डोनेट किया, दैट विल बी योर टुडेज अचीवमेंट, दैट यू आर थिंकिंग फ्रॉम लॉन्ग टाइम, ओके? सो एवरीवन जस्ट राइट डाउन योर टुडेज अचीवमेंट कि आपके आज के कौन कौन से अचीवमेंट है. या आपको गुस्सा आ रहा था और आपने उसको कंट्रोल किया, दैट विल बी योर टुडेज अचीवमेंट. नाउ द सेकेंड कॉलम इज व्हाई इट इज अचीवमेंट. वो अचीवमेंट क्यों है, लिखिए व्हाई इट इज एन अचीवमेंट. व्हाई इट इज एन अचीवमेंट. So you did morning exercise as per your plan. You can write down as per your plan, right? You paid your bill as per your plan. You did exercise as per your plan. You did meditation or book reading. You did book reading for 10-15 minutes as per your plan. You control your anger as per your plan, okay? You lived your full day with highest productivity. वो भी आपका एज पर योर प्लान था. और यू डिसाइडेड कि आज मैं पूरा दिन पूरी एनर्जी के साथ, अच्छी एनर्जी के साथ में बिताऊंगा, पॉजिटिव एनर्जी के साथ में बिताऊंगा. सो सेकेंड कॉलम इज व्हाई इट इज एन अचीवमेंट. सो प्लीज राइट डाउन व्हाई इट इज एन अचीवमेंट. Why it is an achievement. So if it is done, we will come to the third column, tomorrow's plan versus action. So this is very important. Tomorrow, what are the activity you are going to complete? Let's say write down exercise 10 minutes. Please write down exercise 10 minutes, meditation 10 minutes, visualization 10 minutes, goal writing 5 minutes, book reading 10 minutes, okay? Financial tracking 5 minutes, cleaning your desk, organizing your table, books, making a phone call to your client. So all these things you can write down in your tomorrow's plan. Now action is clear. Meditation, what is the action? You have to meditate. Book reading, action, you have to read a book. Exercise, action, you have to exercise. Making a phone call, किसको फोन करना है, वो action होगा आपका. So this is one of the best exercise. And what is the benefit of this exercise? Plan your day night before. So imagine you have completed this activity just now. Okay. So you have given this thought to your mind, and this thought will be manifested in your subconscious mind, right? Because subconscious mind will work 24/7. Even when you are sleeping, that time also your subconscious mind will work. So what will happen, whatever you have written today, so tomorrow when you will just open, so your mind will trigger you, yes, I have to complete this task, yes, I have to make this phone call to so and so gentleman, yes, I have to read book, I have to do exercise, I have to pay my bill, I have to track my finance. So today you have planned your day. Today you have sent this message to your subconscious mind. And tomorrow when you are opening your diary, your notepad, your mind will trigger you. Your mind will give a message. You have to act on it, right? So for tomorrow, you have done planning in advance, right? So from that perspective, it is very, very important. Or indirectly, you can say that key in night itself, we have sent a message to your subconscious mind. Tomorrow, I am going to complete this many tasks. This is my to-do list for tomorrow. Okay. Now, this is done for today. So tomorrow night, what you will do? Tomorrow night, again, you will make this sheet, right? Tomorrow night, you will again make this. And two more things you have to add. First one is gratitude. So once you are done with this, just write down the gratitude. Okay. So it will be like this. And after that, you have to write the gratitude at least for 3%. And what is your mistake that you did today? And the same mistake you are not going to repeat tomorrow. Because what happens, we are learning something new, but we are making the same mistake again and again, again and again. So while preparing this, just note down the mistake. Okay, I did the mistake. I missed out the exercise, one mistake. Okay, I wake up late. So I will make sure that from tomorrow, I will wake up on time. So when you are writing the mistake, my mistake is today I wake up late. So from tomorrow, I will make sure I will wake up on time. I missed my exercise. So from tomorrow, I will make sure I will not repeat this mistake. So you are accountable for your mistake. First point, you are correcting your mistake because no one is going to correct your mistake. You yourself has to correct this mistake. Okay. So when you prepare this, you are planning for tomorrow. At the same time, you are submitting the gratitude. At the same time, you are also mentioning your mistakes, what mistake you did today that you don't want to repeat from tomorrow. Okay. So this is all about today's exercise, right? So what we covered, first thing we covered about how to wake up early in the morning. Second topic we covered about the time management. Third, we covered about the plan your day night before. So if you start following this concept, plan your day night before, so you can achieve lot many things, right? And in morning, you no need to you no need to worry about whole day because you have done your planning in advance, right? So plan your day in advance, plan your day night before. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Anyone is having any query, any doubt? Okay. Kamal, Sahu, any query? Okay.
I have one. I've read that blocking the time is important. So, what is the advantage of blocking the time? Blocking the time. What is the advantage of blocking the time?
Advantage of blocking the time is, let's say you want to read a book. So for next 15 or 20 minutes or 30 minutes, block your time, keep your mobile phone in a silent mode or put it in your drawer, right? And just read it. So particular this 30 minutes, you are not going to do anything. You will not take any phone call. You are not watching television. Your whole focus is on reading. Same thing applicable for exercise. I have to exercise 6:30 to 7. So this time is blocked. Okay, so your mind will give a message 6 to 6:30 is blocked for exercise. So if you are not blocking the time, so what will happen? People will come and disturb you. For example, in a daytime, if you are not blocked your time for particular work, so you will get any calls from your friends, relative, or anybody, because people don't know about your goals. They don't know about your vision. They don't know about your mission, right? So randomly you will get a phone call or you will be disturbed by anybody. So it's a better to block your time, right? And focus on that activity in that time period, right? So I think some of you, some of the activity you are already following, uh, like exercise in morning and reading. So it's always better to block the time to kill the procrastination also and to manage the time. Okay, so like we have blocked the time 9 to 9:30 p.m. For this habit building boot camp. So 9 to 9:30 we are not doing anything. We are just focusing on our new learning. We are not watching TV, right? We are not doing any debates and all, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Yes, Kamal, we have to practice daily. Yes, we have to practice daily. Then only this will feed in our mind. Okay. So no query. Then thank you so much. Right. So for tomorrow's session, we are going to cover a vision board. So request you to please be ready with A3 size of sheet. So we will draw the vision in session itself. Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. It was good.
Thank you so much for joining. Take care. Bye-bye.